Online learning has become very popular ever since the COVID-19 pandemic. However, many users feel that they're unable to gain the mastery that they would otherwise gain through face-to-face interactions. This is where our product comes in: augmented reality, artificial intelligence, systems integration. We are here to prove that convenience and mastery are not conflicting concepts. This is what the login interface looks like. The For You page uses algorithms that capitalize on search history and user preference to show users courses that are most applicable to them. Clicking on a course would lead to this page, where there is a brief description and related information such as fees, requirements and recognition, etc. etc. There is a compare function as well, which allows users to filter the courses of their liking based on various different criteria. Of the results, users can choose up to 3 to be compared against one another based on the following important criteria. Every course has its own foundational requirements, and personal information of users must be collected before enrollment. For this purpose, we have the application form. Within the applications page, users can see the application status for their various courses. We have chat capabilities as well. Any delegated task or meeting by a course provider will be integrated with a to-do list and a calendar automatically. This enables users to keep track of their work and important dates and deadlines. Under My Courses, users can see all the courses that they are enrolled in. Clicking on one would show them the lectures, the tasks, and the events under that course. There's also a note-taking section where notes provided by the course provider will be automatically added. Note-taking capabilities enable users to take notes during the proceeding of tutorial videos as well. This is the profile section. Under the profile section, we can see the individual's picture and their bio and all their completed courses, of which their modules are shown below. Part by part. Now let's get to the exciting parts: artificial intelligence and augmented reality. AR glasses are the only project deliverables that are required by users to access this functionality. We are exploring options of renting these glasses to our users and sending it to them through means of online delivery. This is a demonstration of a cooking course that uses AASI. We now see through the perspective of the user. We see his workstation. The user has access to certain app functionalities. He can click this to interact with our AI assistant AASI. He can click this to open interactions with his teammates. And he can click this to limit the interactions with his team. Our app focuses on courses that are lifestyle related, like cooking, meditation, painting, tailoring, etc. etc. These courses have one thing in common: all these crafts require specialized motor skills, which are hard to develop in isolation, and the lack of supervision that comes with online learning. This is solved through AASI. When a student clicks the raise hand function, the mentor would be able to see it. Now let's look through the mentor's perspective. Seeing that his pupil's hand is raised, he clicks the camera button and the microphone button to be able to interact with the student. Now he's able to see the student's perspective through this pop-up. Through this system, we have created greater capacity for supervision and specialized feedback, which is oftentimes not possible online. There are also pre-programmed tutorial videos that will play as the student works to guide them. When a student needs to refresh his memory on something, verbally instructing AASI would prompt it to search for suitable videos in its database to play for the student. Also, the buttons are movable to suit the needs of every student's workspace. The AI can be programmed to spot errors with regard to the course as well. For example, leaving utensils on the counter or the fish not being cooked good enough. This is the interface that enables course providers to create courses. Clicking on a course opens up this page. On the left side are the various modules or lessons. Within each lesson, there is a drop-down feature where videos can be dropped down, and once they're added to the database, they will be shown here. And videos from other lessons that are applicable to new lessons can be searched for on the search bar as well. For example, cutting basics is a lesson 1 video, which can be searched up and can be added to lesson 3 mutton stew. The course structure is such that the course provider account, the mentor, can allow AASI, the AI, to make certain tutorial videos play when the students reach various checkpoints at their own time. This allows students to learn at their own pace. For example, when certain checkpoints such as fish has been filleted and garnishes have been laid, AASI will allow you to proceed to lesson 3 video 6, which will play here. AASI can also be prompted to take notes and record what is being played on the user's lecture screen, based on what is being said in the tutorial and what is being said by the user for his own understanding. AASI can also be prompted to end this process. Once notes have been taken, they will be automatically added to the notes section under the appropriate course title. The course provider's account has business-related applications for SMEs as well. For example, a cooking business may use the app to train their employees. For these applications, we have a separate plan which would require businesses to pay a membership fee every month for usage. The reason for this is because we would have to provide private servers for businesses to lock away their courses from the general public, as opposed to courses made by individuals with the sole intention to be spread amongst the masses. The courses of SMEs would have trade secrets that they would not want to be leaked. That sums up our application. Wow, 3 நிமிஷத்துக்கு